It's Sutherland's Early Bird Sale this Saturday from 7 to 11 a.m. Get 2 bags of red mulch for only $5. Maintain your garden and get a 3-piece pruning set for only $12.99. Assorted fruit trees are here. Peach, apple, plum, pear. Your choice, only $13.95. Plus, take 50% off all in-stock trees and shrubs. Find these deals and more this Saturday at Sutherland's Early Bird Sale, helping you build it better since 1917, only at Sutherland's.